everyone, Rachel Willow here. Here are my top 10 tips before you start spring cleaning. Make a schedule. If you make a schedule, it will make this task a whole lot less daunting. Declutter and organize. As you're going room by room, figure out what you need to donate, find out what's expired, toss what you need to toss. Work from the top down. You don't want to go from the bottom up, as debris will settle as you start cleaning from the top, and you'll end up having to re-clean a lot of the things that you've already cleaned. So top down. Don't forget about your windows and your walls. If you've never cleaned your walls, damp cloth will do the trick. Just wipe everything down. And if you haven't done your windows before, not just the panes, you want to get the locks, the woodwork, all that great stuff. When it comes to your kitchen and bathroom, every little nook and cranny helps. Make sure you're cleaning out your coffee maker, you're taking everything out of your fridge and wiping it down, you're doing the same thing with your pantry, and so on with your bath. Don't forget to clean your filters. Whether it's your furnace or your HVAC or both, make sure that what you're breathing in is clean. Next point, clean and green. If you're not changing out your products as you use them to cleaner, greener products, now's the time to do that. You don't want to have chemicals going back into the air. That just doesn't make any sense. So if you haven't switched over to clean and green, now's the time to do that. Make sure you have enough cleaning products. And if you use microfiber cloths or reusable cloths, making sure they're clean and you have enough of them. The last thing you want to do is be in this great cleaning mode and in the middle of a project and you've run out of product or you don't have what you need. Do you have a spot that you are really having some trouble trying to figure out what to do with? Now is the time to look up inspiration. You have your schedule made. You know you're going to be tackling the bathroom on X day, but you can't figure out how to do your linen closet properly because it's so small. The internet is a magical thing. I'm sure there's someone out there who has tackled that exact same issue, and I will be having tips and tricks for what I've done around my house and my mother's house later on, so you can stay tuned to that as well. And lastly, this is supposed to be a fresh start. Winter is done. We now have spring. There's flowers, green grass, beautiful skies. You don't want to come home to stress, mess, and clutter. It's gonna only make you more stressed, and it's honestly gonna be quite difficult to have a great new start to the day and a great new start to the year if every time you come home, you realize that I forgot to clean this. That's still a mess. I have no idea where that went. Take the time and trust me, you'll enjoy it. Stay tuned for other spring cleaning tips and tricks, and have a great day.